Hello, thank you for inquiring about articulation and phonological disorders. My name is Miss Everett and I'm going to cover that content for you. An articulation or speech disorders involves difficulties in articulating specific types of sounds. They often involve substitution of one sound for another, slurring of speech, or indistinct speech. Common causes of articulation disorders can be cleft lip and palate, intellectual disabilities, neurological disabilities, brain injuries, hearing loss, drug abuse, as well as unknown causes. Fortunately, there is assistive technology to assist students with speech and language issues. These can include computers or alternative communication devices. Students with articulation disorders face many challenges. Personally, in my classroom, I have noticed that they have lower self-esteem, lack of classroom participation. Their quiet nature also makes them an ideal candidate for bullying because they often do not speak up for themselves. There are numerous things that classroom teachers can do to assist students with articulation disorders. As a classroom teacher of students with varying ability levels, it is my job to make resources and materials available to all of my students. I can do this by, number one, inserting oral presentations into my lesson plans and in my classroom. I can also do this by placing students in groups to have meaningful discussions with their peers. I can also do this by providing read aloud opportunities in the classroom. But while providing those read aloud opportunities, it's very important for teachers not to put students with articulation disorders on the spot, to make sure everyone feels comfortable and not embarrass any of these students. Thank you for your interest in articulation disorders. My name is Miss Everett again. Have a great day.